Today's Health Watch: can a bad boss increase your risk of heart disease? A new study found a 50% increase in cardiovascular disease in employees that have been exposed to that type of strain in the workplace. Joining us from Vanderbilt University Medical Center in Nashville is Dr. Travis Stork, host of The Doctors. Good morning, Doc.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm well, because I have a good boss. How are you?
Very good answer.
I know, right? So what type of boss is bad for your heart?
You know, study's not surprising at all. These are bosses who are bad communicators. They don't give enough control to their employees. They don't set good goals. So employees are walking around, they're confused, and they just don't have good management. You know, the most interesting thing about this study is the longer you have a bad boss, the higher your risk of heart attack.
Have you ever had a boss like that?
You know, that's why I went into emergency medicine. I'm my own boss.
Oh, smart. So for those of us who can't be our own boss, what do you do? I mean, the urge, the instinct would be to tell them off, which would make you feel a whole lot better, but I'm guessing that's not what you prescribe.
Well, the reality, especially in today's economy, is sometimes we're in situations we can't control with our bosses. You need income, you need to put food on the table. So one of the mantras on The Doctors is you can't always control what people do to you, but you can control how you react to it. So if you have a bad boss, obviously take whatever steps you can to improve that relationship. But one of the most important things, whether it be at work or once you get home, is you got to take time in every single day to relax. Because what happens when we're in a stressful work situation is physiologically we have changes. Our heart rates go up, stress hormones cause us to have increased blood pressure. That makes our hearts work harder over time, and that's why we have an increased risk of heart attack. So the other simple things, people don't always do this when they get stressed out. They stop making healthy food choices. And they stop doing the things that can actually reduce stress, like being active, going for a 30-minute walk, because what do we do when we're stressed? We eat bad food, sometimes drink too much alcohol, sometimes turn to cigarettes, a lot of things that then further increase your risk of heart attack.
Yeah, a bad boss can drive you to do all those things. But I guess you have to make it a point to say, I'm going home at this time and I'm going to chill out for a little while.
And pray that your boss gets fired.
That too, which happens. Dr. Travis Stork, thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a good day.